We all know what a Euler circuit is and an Euler path. That's where we touch every edge exactly once and start and end at a different vertex for a path, and we touch every edge exactly once and we start and end at the same vertex for a circuit. So can we make an Euler circuit out of these dominoes, and how would you go about doing that? Understand the rules of dominoes. If you're going to put dominoes together, don't worry about these. These are not supposed to be there. I should have taken them off. I apologize. But these are double 6 dominoes. A double 6 would go, a 6 you could take and you would put another 6 next to it. Okay? Then you would find a domino with a 1 on it and you would put it next to it. The question is, can you put all of the double 6 dominoes in a line to where they all connect? And furthermore, can you put all the dominoes together to where they all connect and circle back to the beginning domino? That is the problem. So, a little bit further on to this, if you want to think about it, what do you call the vertex in this particular example? And what do you call the edge? So let's think about that. What connects them and what is being connected? All right? So have a ball, y'all.